So today we'll start a new chapter, that is statistics. So the first one, what is called mean? Mean is called the average value of the given data. Average value of the given data. Given data means, suppose in a class, take one example, the age of 5 students of a class are given as 14 years, given in years is 14, 18, 17, 13, 15. Find the mean age of the class. Means what? What is the age per student in a class? That is what you want to find out. What is the method actually? The x bar you write, that is sum of the age, 40 plus 18 plus 17 plus 13 plus 15 by sum of the numbers, data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how much you will get? That is 50.4. So that is called average value, which is called the mean. So different methods are there to find the mean of the data. First is mean of ungrouped data. Mean of the ungrouped data. Ungrouped means the raw values are given like this. So first question is find, its formula you write. If x1, x2, xn are the n variables. N variables means data is here. Then mean equals to, then the mean symbolized as x bar, defined as x1 plus x2 plus x3, like this it will continue, last is xn. If I write here, I think I have write x bar, x1, x2, x3, xn divided by how many? N numbers are there, divided by n. So when the data are not grouped, raw data are given, then we will do like this. Okay, so take one question on this. Find the mean of the first 10 natural numbers. Question is, find the mean of the first 10 natural numbers. So natural number starts from where? So mean will be 10 natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divided by how many? 10 numbers. So that will be, there is a formula you remember. First natural numbers का formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Either you can add it, or if it numbers are continuous, n how many? 10. 10 into divided by 10. This you may write, may not write, or you have to add all this, then you have to find out. So how much you got? This will confuse you. Better add it. How much you will get? 10 into, it will be 55. 55. So 55 by 10. That is, leave one digit, put decimal, 5.5. Mean of this data will be 5.5. Okay. This question can be asked in a different manner. If the mean of the given data is 16, find the value of x. Find the value of x, like 9, 11, then 15, x, 20, 21. Take as 14. Okay. Let's see. Then mean means x bar is 14. So first you write what is x bar. Sum of the data. 9 plus 11 plus 15 plus x plus 20 plus 21 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This mean is given to us 14. 14 equals to, add this, how much? 20, 35, 35, 55, 71, 55, 76, 76 plus x by 6. So do cross multiplication. 14 into 6 equals to 76 plus x. 84 minus 76 equals to x. 8 equals to x. So this could be a short question like this. Okay, this is about mean of the ungrouped data, raw data. We call as raw data here. Then mean of the repeated data. Repeated means, suppose I will tell you 2, 4, 3, 4, 8, 5, 6, 3, 2 like this, suppose. So what you find, you can check it. That will be, if I write this is x, this is z. X means variables, 2. How many times? 1, 2 times. Then 4, 2 times. Then 3, 2 times. 3 2 times. Then 4 also 2 times. Then 4 is gone, 3 is gone. 5 5 one time, then 8, 6 one time, 8 one time. Okay, so that is the formula here. If you multiply 2 times, 4, 3 2 times, 6 4 2 times, 8 5 one time, 5 6 8. If you add this, how much you will get? 10, 13, 14, 27, 37. Okay. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means if you add this also you get 9. 1, 2, 3, 9. So when you find mean, what you do? Now sum means total. This total how much you got? 37 divided by how many numbers? 9 numbers. 4.1. So we can make a formula on this. Formula means you write as fx. So when you add it, you call as sigma fx. Sigma means addition. So mean of the repeated data formula will be sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma f means this is sigma. Sigma f means sum of this f by sum of the fx, which you got here. So let's have a question. Find mean of the following data. Find mean of the following data. You will be given x f. X is suppose 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. Value of x 5 how many times? 2 times. This is 1 time. This is 3 times. This is 4 times. This is 2 times suppose. Then you are asked to find the mean. So what you will do is you have to make a table of this. Table means make x column, make f column, make fx column. The x means 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. This is frequency column 2, 1, 3, 4, 2. Fx means you have to multiply 5 to 10. This is 7, 8, 3, 24. Then 40, then 24. Okay, then there is a column called sigma fx. Sigma means you have to add this. $105. Then sigma f. Okay, then x bar sigma fx by sigma f. So let me write here then x bar sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma fx how much? 105. Sigma f how much? 12. So one homework for you. Try to solve. Find the mean of the following data. Okay. Suppose question is this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. So this is your homework. Try to complete this. Method is same. Now then comes a question. Suppose you want to find the question be different to this. The question can be asked in this way also. There is a question. If mean of the following distribution is 53, if the mean of the following distribution is 53, find the missing frequency P. Okay, so suppose you are given a question x f. This is given you 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. F is given 12, 15, 32, 12, 15, 32, P 13. Okay, how to do this question? Method will be same. So what you have to do is make a table of this. Table means this is x, this is a 10, 12 times, 30, 15 times, 50, 32 times, 70, 3 times, 90, 13 times. Okay, so what do? You have to make a column. Which column? You have to make a fixed column. A fixed means you have to multiply 10, 12, 120. 15, 3 is a 45. 0, 5, 2 is a 10. 5, 3 is a 15, 60. 70p. 0, 100, 1170. So when you do addition, this is a unlike term. This has to be left out. So you have to add which one? Now 100, 1170, 1600, 450, 120. This is what you have to add. How much is coming? 0, 7. This became 3270 plus 70p. Plus 70p. Then F column you have to add. This is your sigma fx. Sigma f how to find? Now add this except this one. 5 to 7, 9, 12. Then 2, 5, 6, 7 plus p. Okay, what is the formula? Now x bar equals to sigma fx by sigma f. X bar mean is given. Mean is given how much? Mean is given 53 equals to how much it is? It is 3340 plus 3340 plus 70p by 72 plus p. Okay. Then cross multiplication, this will come here 53 72 plus p 3340 plus 70p. So you have to multiply these two. So when you multiply these two, how much you will get? 3186. Multiply these two. 3186 plus 53p. This is 3340 plus 70p. 38. Sorry, this is wrong. This is 3816. Okay, like term 3816 minus 3340. This will go that side. 70p minus 53p by this one. So if you subtract, how much you will get? 476 equals to 17p. The p is equal to 476 by 17. How much? If you divide, that will come 28. If you divide here, that will be 28. So you can, let me give one question. Now which you can try. There could be a question. Yeah, write down a question. The mean of the following data is 14. Find the value of k. If the homework for you, if the mean of the following data is 14, find the value of k. Okay, so let me write that question then. That is x f. X is given how much? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, then what is given? 7k8, 7k8, then 4, 5. Same method you can do it. Okay, this is about repeated but ungrouped data. Now mean of the group data. Mean of the grouped data. There are three methods to find the mean. One is direct method. Other one is deviation method. Third one is step deviation method. Suppose when the numbers are very big numbers come up, then you use the step deviation method. But this is now, for these are not in the syllabus. So which two will study? We have to study these two now. Okay, let's take one question. What is the formula I tell you? Okay, question is find the mean of the following data by direct method. Okay, suppose see here, you studied in class 9 also. We are repeating class interval. Class interval means suppose some data from 0 to 10. Suppose some student they got 0 to 10 marks. Okay, let me write here 0 to 10 marks, 10 to 20 marks, 20 to 30 marks, 30 to 40 marks. Suppose some student got. Okay, so this is 30 to 40. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Suppose 0 to 10, 4 students got. This is 3 students, this is 7 students, this is suppose 10 students got. You are asked to find mean of this data. So look at here. First you see, I'll give you little definition. Class interval. Which are class intervals? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, like that. 0 to 10 and so on. Okay, this is always called lower limit. If I take 0 to 10, then lower limit, this is for your knowledge, not for calculation. Lower limit is 0. Upper limit 10. Class width means what is the difference? Every time you see same 10. Okay, then you will find here middle value x, that is lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Everywhere you will find lower limit plus upper limit by 2, because this is your f. What you need? Formula is what? Sigma fx by sigma f. The sigma fx means, if I write here, look at x bar is what? Sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma f the given x will come out from here. How to find x? Now this is the method, lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So let's solve it then. 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. F. We forgot here. Suppose this is 2, this is 3, this is 7, 0 to 10, 2, 3, this is suppose 5, this is 7, this is suppose 7, this is suppose 10. One example I have taken it. So actually let's write it again. 0 to class interval first, 0 to 10. I have write here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. This is I have taken 2, 3, 7, 10. This is F. 2, 3, 7, 10. Okay, let me draw it. Okay, then our formula is what? You have to find X. X have to find the lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 0 plus 10 by 2. That is 5. Okay. Then 10 plus 20 by 2, 30, 30 by 2 is 15. Directly look at how can you write. Directly write what is the difference increasing. 10, 10 increasing or not? You go on adding 10, 10. First one you find, then you go on adding the width of the class interval. This will be 15. Again 10, 25. Again 10, 35. Then what you have to find? Fx. Fx means you have to multiply 2 into 5, these two, 2 into 5, 10, 3 into 15, 45, 7 into 25, 175, this is 350. Okay, then sigma fx. Sigma fx will be 5, 5, 10. Then 6, 13, 14, 18, 18, 1, 4, 5, 580. Then sigma f 10, 17, 20, 22. Then what is mean? X bar equals to sigma fx by sigma f. Okay, then let's see. Sigma fx is how much? Now 580 divided by 22. So 2 cancel 11, 2, 29. 11 2 is a 22, 7, 6 is a 66. 43, 26.3. Okay. Then if I take a question on this, that is, if the mean of the following distribution is 27, find the value of P. If the mean of the following distribution is, mean of the following distribution is 27, find the value of P. So we are given, suppose a question like this. We are given class interval frequency. Okay, class interval is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Just 40 to 50. Okay, catch it. Then the values are given. 8p12 1310. 8p12 1310. Okay. So what you have to do is, look, class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So F is 8, P 12, 13, 10. Okay, X. How to find X? Now lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 0 plus 10 by 2. How much? 15. Sorry, 5. Then similarly, this plus this by 2. 10 plus 20 by 2. 15. Okay, like this, go on adding. 25, 35, 45. Then comes fx. Fx means 8 into 5, 40. P into 15, 15p. 12, 25. Then 450. Okay, now sigma fx, except this you have to add other numbers like 450, 455, 340. How much you will get? This is 5, then 10, 19, sorry 14, 1, then 5, 9, 12, 45 plus 15p. Sigma f, this line you have to add. Sigma f, except this, how much? 20, 30, 43. 43 plus p. 43 plus p. So x bar equals to sigma fx by sigma f. So x bar how much? X bar we have taken, mean is given how much? 27. 1245 plus 15p divided by 43 plus p. I have taught already you, do a cross multiplication, try to find the value of p. This is homework for you. Okay, another homework, try to complete. I am giving as homework for you. If the mean of the following data is 25, mean of the following data is 20.6. 20.6. Find the value of P. Table is given to us. Class interval, frequency. Class interval is given, that is 0 to 20. Then 20 to 30. Okay. Thirty to 40, 40 to 50. This is given, suppose 3, 10, 25, 3, 10, 25, then 7. This is suppose 20, not 20.6. Just one example I have taken. Look at this method, try to complete. Okay, so new question tomorrow we will start.